Today I will sound test LG Soundbar with Dolby Atmos 440 watts. Check it out.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we're so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. What if sound could be captivating, subtle, authentic? What if sound could be deeper, more dimensional? There's no need to worry, because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction in this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
Now is the sound test of no copyright music. Dolby Atmos. play.
We have 15 minutes before HK police arrive. You afraid?
Nope.
Good luck.
Saying good luck is bad luck.
I take it back. Taking it back's even worse luck.
Go. What did you call me?